Good morning, day 64, road to 100. I'm on my way to do some pressure washing with Jake this morning. I need to make $3,000 by the end of the week. So this is part of it. I'll catch you guys when I'm watching the fucking pressure washer. Gotta get it rinsed. Yo. So, did some pressure washing today. I just booked my flight. I'll be leaving on Saturday to go to Colorado, go pick up my truck, and I'm gonna be driving to Texas to go sell solar with Grateful Solar for until the end of the month. So that'll be exciting. Yeah, that was today. So tomorrow I'm gonna get some stuff done at the barn and have a lunch to go to, lunch meeting. And then Wednesday going to Ocala. We'll spend the next couple days there, and on the way back home Jake's gonna drop me off at the airport in Tampa and on the way to Colorado. So yeah, that's really it today. I'm about to go eat dinner and then finish up the night. Yes, sir. Bacon cheeseburger with A1. Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, everybody? Day 64, road to 100. Out here on the one wheel again. About to go home for the night, get some sleep. I gotta get up early and go to the DMV. So I'm gonna check out. But yes, sir. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.